Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix touchscreen not responding on your POCO M6. So, we're gonna start off by removing our screen protector and a case. So, let me explain. If your screen protector is poorly applied, if it's covering the edges of the phone and not the edges of the screen, then that's wrong. We want to remove it and see if that fixes the issue. Also the case, if the case is not ideally for your phone and it covers a little bit of your screen, it can cause the interference. So we want to also remove it if that's the case. If not, then you guys can keep it on. After that, we want to grab a microfiber cloth and clean our screen with it. So here I've got my microfiber cloth. Now we want to give it a few swipes. Don't go too hard on the screen. We don't want to damage it, we just want to clean it. Now after those few swipes, our screen should look beautiful. And the last option for the touchscreen not responding is to go over and select settings. Now go to about phone, and here in the about phone section we want to click on the HyperOS. As you guys can see, I've got an update available. It's for the Xiaomi HyperOS 2 and I'm running the first version. So this is a big major update that we all need to do for this device. Now, after doing that update, everything should be good. Your touchscreen should respond to everything, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.